Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video I will be sharing with you my homemade mango ice cream recipe that you will never stop asking for. Yay! So we are going to be achieving this recipe with just few ingredients. Here we have one ripe mango. You can as well use more of it. So we're going off camera to prep our mango. So here we are done prepping the mango. For the sweetener, we are going to be using condensed milk, or you use any sweetener of your choice. Here we have vanilla extract. So next we have our whipping cream. Of course, without whipping cream we cannot achieve this recipe. To begin, add the cream to a mixing bowl. Whip the cream using a hand mixer or a stand mixer with a whisk attachment until soft paste is formed, just like this on the screen. Please make sure you keep an eye on it so you don't end up with butter, okay? Once done, transfer into a bowl and add in some vanilla extracts, condensed milk, and set it aside. Next, I'm going ahead to transfer the mango in a blender. Go ahead and blend until it is smooth and nice without adding any water. As you can see here, we are done with the mango, so I added the mango puree to the whipped cream and mixed for about 1 to 2 minutes until they are well combined. Feel free to taste or add any sugar or condensed milk if needed, okay? Now I went ahead and poured the combined mixture into a freezer-friendly container with a lid. Close the lid tightly. Freeze the ice cream for about 5 to 6 hours or until it is set. So the next morning, I take the mango ice cream out of the freezer and let it stand for 5 minutes to soften slightly. Then go ahead and scoop and serve. I added some mango puree or syrup to it, but this is optional, honestly. So this tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. Honestly guys, you need to try this recipe out because shop-bots will never be able to capture the flavor of real mango like when you make it from scratch at home. Yeah, you won't believe it until you try this recipe out. So creamy. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, follow the page, like, share and comment to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. Remember, blessed. Bye.